So what I want to show you here is a customized Microsoft Cloud search engine that I've created that you're free to use, available on the internet. Now you can get to it by going to bit.ly/CIA search. Okay, so bit.ly/CIA search, hit enter, and this should take you to a page that looks like this. So what we can do in here is we can just type any sort of terms that we use in any other standard search engines. But what's going to happen here is that the results will be restricted to a subset of sites that I have programmed in the background, high quality sites around the Microsoft Cloud information here. So if I put in here migration best practices, all right, you'll see that the results will come back and we're targeting on the Office 365, network planning, and so on. So the lists will be here as normal. You'll see that there are also links to third-party blog sites that I believe are high quality that I have added as well, along with the standard Microsoft documentations. Remember, this is all customized by myself in the background. Now, you've also got the ability to search for images and also videos if they are appropriate. Now, of course, the search is only as good as the information that it indexes. So what I've also done is provided the ability for you, if you want, to basically go in and let me know if you find a really good source for Microsoft Cloud information. And you do that by bit.ly/CIA search submit. All right, so you do that and you'll come to a Microsoft form. So all you need to do is put the URL which you think is of high value for Microsoft Cloud information, so Azure, Microsoft 365, Intune, and so on. And that will then send it to me. I'll have a look at it, and if it is good, I'll make sure that I include it in the information that is indexed and searched through here. So again, the way that you get to the search engine is bit.ly/CIA search. All right, so hit that, you'll end up on this page here, and then you basically type in your search for any Microsoft Cloud style technologies, and the information returned to you will be from the Microsoft documentation and some high quality third-party websites that I have also created. And you can also go in there and submit your own suggestions if you want to do that. So hopefully you'll get some benefit out of that, and remember that I'll continue to improve and add high quality sources in the back end, so make sure that you do use it on a regular basis. No cost to you, and appreciate if you would either drop me a note, let me know what you think and how it can be improved, and share it with anybody else who you think may get benefit from using it.